Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about contributions of Greek geographers. Okay, this is an important topic in our UGC NET examination in geography. Okay, geographical thought. Okay, the era of uh, Greek geographers is also known as Golden Age of Greece. Okay, key or prominent scholars are Homer, Thales, Anaximander, Hecataeus, Herodotus, Aristotle, Eratosthenes, Hipparchus, and Posidonius. Okay, if you are new in my class, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, contribution of Greeks. There is an overview. Why Greeks? The Greeks were pioneer in many branches of knowledge. Their period is known as the Golden Age of Greece. They are given the credit of being the earliest geographers. Okay, they are known as earliest geographers. Their philosophical and logical approach, combined with diversity in topography and physical features of Greece, gave great impetus to the growth and development of geography. Okay, the growth and development of geography. Cartography, first world maps to scale, grid systems and projections. Mathematical geography, circumferences of Earth, latitudes and longitudes, concept of parallels. Astronomy, planetary motion, star catalogs, solstices and equinox. Systematic description, first prose descriptions of world lands, peoples and regions. Okay, these are the broad contributions of Greeks in geography. Homer, key contribution, he is well known for Greek poet. He is a Greek poet. He was a Greek poet. Earliest geographer and poet. Okay. His works describe geographical accounts of lands and peoples. Described Earth as a circular world surrounded by a single massive ocean. And conceived sky as a concave surface. And described four types of winds. Okay. Boreas in north, Notus in south, Eurus in east, and Zephyrus in west. Okay, these are four types of winds provided by Homer. Okay, this is important from UGC NET examination. Quick facts and works Iliad and Odyssey. This is very important term. Remember this term, Iliad and Odyssey. Long epic poems describing episodes of the Trojan War. Presented geographical accounts of lands and peoples on the margins of the known world. Gave early notion of a circular earth bounded by ocean. Coming to our next contributor, this is Thales of Miletus. Key contribution, practical businessman, philosopher and traveler. First Greek thinker and philosopher. Developed several basic theorems of geometry. Visualized earth as a disc floating in water. First person to unity measurement of earth and located things on face of earth. Okay, known as the father of geometry. Okay, Thales of Miletus is known as the father of geometry. He is a pioneer of geometric theorems applied to geography. Okay, he proposed Earth as a flat disc floating on water. Earth as a flat disc floating on water. Laid foundations for mathematical measurement of the Earth. Coming to our next geographer, this is Anaximander. Okay, great philosopher, astronomer and mathematician and geographer. Okay, he is also regarded as father of cosmology and founder of astronomy. Okay, explain formation of four elements. Okay, these are the four elements: air, earth, water and fire. Air, earth, water and fire. He was considered Earth as a cylindrical mass suspended in a spherical universe. Okay, he introduced the Babylonian instrument. This is known as gnomon. This is important from exam perspective. To measurement sun's position. Okay, gnomon to measure the sun's position. First person to prepare a world map to scale circular bounded by ocean river, Europe shown in center. Title, father of cosmology and founder of astronomy. Introduced gnomon, measures varying position of the sun. Prepared the first world map to scale. Map was circular and bounded by ocean river. Europe shown at center of the world, and rule of four elements: air, earth, water, fire in landform formation. Okay, these are main contributions of Anaximander. Next, Hecataeus. Okay, first writer of Greek prose. resident of Miletus. Known as the father of geography, very important term, father of geography. Okay, major work, gas periods. Gas periods was the major work of Hecataeus. First systematic description of the world. Assumed Earth to be a circular plane. He believed Greece is at the center of the world, surrounded by ocean and river. Had intimate knowledge of land bordering the Mediterranean Sea. Egypt, Nile Valley, extensively traveled. Okay, he traveled Egypt extensively, and he was the first to call Egypt as gift of Nile. Okay, gift of Nile, Egypt. This is also important from net exam perspective. Title, Father of Geography. Work, gas periods, 2 books, Europe and Asia plus Africa. First systematic description of the world. Earth as a circular plane with Greece at the center. First to describe Egypt as gift of Nile. Extensive knowledge of Mediterranean lands. Next, Herodotus. Okay, key contributions. First and foremost, Greek historian. He is also regarded as father of history. Contributed to historical geography. Advocated all history must be treated geographically and all geography must be treated historically. This phrase is also, quotation is also important from net exam perspective. All history must be treated geographically and all geography must be treated historically. Okay, produced only one work, Histories, a record of his inquiry into origin of Greco-Roman wars. Accepted Homeric view, Earth as a flat disk, sun travels Earth from east to west. Okay, he also accepted Homer's view as Earth as the flat disk. First scholar to divide world landmass into 3 continents: Europe, Asia, and Libya. Okay, title, Father of History, work, Histories, investigation of Greco-Roman wars and geographical and ethnographical information. Accepted Earth as flat disk, Homeric view. Sun believed to travel Earth east to west. First to divide world into 3 continents, Europe, Asia, and Libya, and pioneered historical geography. Next, Aristotle. Key contributions, renowned philosopher, studied geography on basis of systematic observation. Accepted idea of spherical Earth and theory of gravitation. Considered Earth as center of universe, geocentric model, stars revolve around it. Divided Earth into climatic zones based on temperature differences. Put forward the idea of erosive agents that change original form of Earth. Described tidal movements and rule of winds in origin of tidal waves. Okay, work, Meteorologica, accepted spherical Earth and gravitation, geocentric model, Earth as a center of universe, divided Earth into climatic zones by temperature, erosive agents concept, change in Earth's form, systematic observation, approach to geography, described tides and rule of winds. Next, Eratosthenes. Key contributions are Greek, he is a Greek mathematician, geographer, astronomer, and poet and music theorist. He developed systems of latitudes and longitudes, also important for net exam perspective. Ascertained accurate length of equator using gnomon, okay, also important. Introduced practice of plotting information on maps using a grid system. Wrote Geographica, that means geography, described the oikoumene, inhabited Earth. Accepted division of world into Europe, Asia, and Libya. Introduced 5 climatic zones, torrid, 1 torrid region, 2 temperate region, and 2 frigid region. Okay, word Geographica, that means geography, developed latitude and longitude systems, measured circumference of the Earth using gnomon, introduced grid system for mapping, 5 climatic zones, 1 torrid, 2 temperate, and 2 frigid. Division of world, Europe, Asia, and Libya. Pioneer of mathematical geography. Okay, coming to next geographer, Hipparchus. He is a Greek astronomer, mathematician, and geographer. He is also considered as father of trigonometry. Okay, also important. Famous for discovery of equinox, compiled the first known star catalog, stressed importance of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes, invented instrument, astrolabe for determining latitudes and longitudes, First to divide the circle into 360 degrees, credited for conversion of three-dimensional sphere into two-dimensional plane, designed orthographic and stereographic projections solely only a hemisphere. Okay, title, father of trigonometry, invented astrolabe for latitudes and longitudes. First star catalogue, discovered equinoxes, divides circle into 360 degree, orthographic and stereographic projections, conversions of 3D sphere to 2D plane, pioneered scientific cartography. Okay, Posidonius. Key contributions, important Greek historian, astronomer, geographer, and teacher. Two major contributions, one wrong, one right, but overlooked. First, recalculated circumference of Earth arrived at a much smaller figure than Eratosthenes, proved wrong. Overestimated east-west distance, his idea inspired Columbus' voyage, which ended at America. Second, contradicted Aristotle, said equatorial torrid zone is habitable. Highest temperature are near tropics, not equator, as sun stays longer at tropics than equator. Proved correct. Okay, work the ocean, recalculated Earth circumferences, underestimate and proved wrong. Overestimate west to east extent of oikoumene. Idea influenced Columbus' westward voyage. Silenced Aristotle on habitability of torrid zone, correctly argued highest temperatures near tropics and equator, sun stays longest near tropics, shorter time at equator. Okay, these are a summary, Greek geographers at a glance. Geographer, period, known for and title, key work and instrument. Homer, ancient period, first geographical point, Iliad and Odyssey. Thales, 7th and 7th C and BC, father of geometry, theorems of geometry. Anaximander, 610 to 546 BC, father of cosmology, world map to scale and Gnomon. Hecataeus, 5050 and 476 BC, father of geography, gas periods. Herodotus, 484 425 BC, father of history, histories. Aristotle, 384 to 322 BC, before his systematic observation, meteorologica. Eratosthenes, 276 to 194 BC, mathematical geography, geographical and grid maps. Hipparchus, 190 to 120 BC, father of trigonometry, astrolabe, 360 degree circle. Posidonius, 135 to 51 BC, torrid zone habitability, the ocean. Okay, these are Greek geographers' contribution in field of geography. Okay, again some important term for NET exam. Father of geography, Hecataeus. Father of history, Herodotus. Father of cosmology, Anaximander. Father of trigonometry, Hipparchus. First map to scale, Anaximander. Measured Earth circumference, Eratosthenes. Divided cycle into 360 degree, Hipparchus. Invented astrolabe, Hipparchus. Introduced Greek system for maps, Eratosthenes. 3 continents, Europe, Asia and Libya by Herodotus. 5 climatic zones by Eratosthenes. Columbus inspired by Posidonius. Gas periods by Hecataeus. And gift of Nile, feast coined by Hecataeus. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.